Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F14 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connections. Now scroll all the way down to access more connection settings. Finally, click on Printing and tap on Default Print Service. You need to click on this switcher if it's not already on in order to activate it. Then wait! Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different print service, disable this one thanks to this blue switcher. Click on the back button and tap on Download plugin. Then install the best service for you and go back by tapping on the back button twice. Then click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!